Hi, sixth graders. I hope that you're doing well, and that you are enjoying the last few weeks of school. Today we're going to be finishing up our reflection for our unit on fashion design, and you're going to use this worksheet below to help you do it. I want you to be creative in how you answer the questions, but be sure to answer each of them. You can write, you can draw your answers, you can make a video saying your answers, whatever you like. You just need to answer each of the questions. So let's take a look at our unit reflection together. So I want you to answer these 4 questions, okay? I want you to think about how this unit has changed how you think about clothing in the environment. Will you change your behaviors regarding clothing? What have you learned about fashion? So what are some of the things or ideas that you've learned that are new to you about fashion? And which fashion term do you think most describes your own personal style? When I say fashion term, I want you to remember the different terms that we learned about at the beginning of the unit that you can find here in the slideshow and in this list. So I want you to think about those and really reflect on how your fashion and your what you wear and what you like to wear. What do you think? Which term best describes that? Which term best describes how you dress? I want you to just take your time and answer these questions in any way you'd like. Again, you can be creative. You can just write if you want, but you can draw a picture, make a video, record, whatever you'd like to do. Just be sure to think about these questions and how this unit or the new ideas you've been introduced to in this unit might have changed your opinion or your ideas regarding fashion, the environment, and your own personal style. Just as a reminder, on Monday, we're going to be preparing to meet with the 5th graders on Wednesday because the 5th graders on Wednesday will be joining our class so that they can get to see what MYP is like, just like you did last year. So just be ready to, on Monday, do a small activity so that you can prepare for our live class with the 5th graders on Wednesday. So I look forward to seeing you all on Wednesday so we can help introduce the new 5th graders to MYP. Today, be sure to do your reflection. On Monday, I'll give you a small assignment that will help us to introduce the new 5th graders to MYP. I hope you have a good weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye, guys.